Bathroom sinks can develop unpleasant odors and become clogged due to the accumulation of debris, mold, and mildew in the drain. Regular cleaning is important to prevent these issues. To remove buildup, you can use baking soda and vinegar. Weekly removal of debris from the drain is also recommended. Avoid using bleach and antibacterial products as they can harm the plumbing system. Instead, use natural cleaning solutions like salt, baking soda, vinegar, and lemon juice to deodorize and clean the sink. Pouring boiling water down the drain can help dislodge stubborn blockages. Plunging the drain and using a drain snake or a bent coat hanger can also help remove deposits. It's important to be mindful of what goes down the sink drain, avoiding the disposal of food products and personal care items. Using smaller amounts of soap, toothpaste, and other products can also help prevent buildup. Lastly, commercial drain cleaners should be avoided due to their potential to damage pipes and contaminate groundwater.